Deep in the heart of Mexico, a unique creature dwells in a once vast lake system. This is the axolotl, an amphibian that retains its youthful aquatic form throughout its life. With feathery gills and a perpetual grin, the axolotl captivates scientists and nature enthusiasts. But this remarkable creature faces an uncertain future. Its ability to regenerate body parts has made it a subject of intense scientific study. We must protect this fascinating species from extinction. The axolotl, scientifically known as Ambystoma mexicanum, belongs to the salamander family but exhibits a remarkable characteristic called neoteny. Unlike typical amphibians that undergo metamorphosis from aquatic larvae to terrestrial adults, axolotls retain their larval features throughout their lives, remaining in their aquatic form. This unusual trait is evident in their external gills, which protrude from the back of their heads like feathery headdresses. These gills, along with their lungs, allow them to breathe underwater, extracting oxygen from their watery environment. Their smooth, slimy skin, often described as jelly-like, is another adaptation to their aquatic lifestyle, allowing them to move effortlessly through the water. Their color can vary greatly, from pale pink and white to shades of brown and black, often speckled with darker pigments. This variety is partly due to their ability to control pigment cells in their skin, allowing them to change color slightly for camouflage or communication. One of the most astonishing aspects of the axolotl is its unparalleled ability to regenerate lost or damaged body parts. Unlike most vertebrates, which form scar tissue at the site of injury, axolotls can regrow entire limbs, tails, sections of their spinal cord, and even parts of their heart and brain, all without any scarring. This remarkable ability has captivated scientists for decades, positioning the axolotl as a model organism for studying tissue regeneration. By unraveling the complex molecular and cellular processes behind this phenomenon, researchers hope to gain insights into potentially promoting regeneration in humans, offering hope for treating spinal cord injuries, limb loss, and other debilitating conditions. Understanding how axolotls regenerate could revolutionize medicine and offer new avenues for treating injuries and diseases that are currently considered incurable. However, much remains to be discovered about the intricacies of their regenerative prowess. Section 4. A lake under siege. The axolotl's natural habitat is limited to the remnants of Lake Xochimilco. Xochimilco has shrunk drastically due to urbanization, pollution, and invasive species. Non-native fish like tilapia and carp have devastated axolotl populations. These fish compete for food and prey on axolotl eggs and larvae. Shrinking lake and poor water quality make survival perilous for axolotls. The axolotl's plight highlights the interconnectedness of ecosystems and human impact. Section 5. Axolotl Appetite. In their natural habitat, axolotls are opportunistic carnivores, feeding on a variety of small creatures that share their watery world. Their diet consists primarily of aquatic insects, worms, crustaceans, and small fish. They are ambush predators, relying on their keen sense of smell and touch to locate prey. Once they detect a potential meal, they use a suction feeding mechanism, rapidly opening their mouths to create a vacuum that draws in water and the unsuspecting prey. Their teeth, while small, are sharp and pointed, designed for grasping and holding onto their prey. They swallow their food whole, relying on their digestive system to break down the tough exoskeletons of insects and the bones of small fish. Section 6. Ensuring the survival of a species. Today, the axolotl is critically endangered, teetering on the brink of extinction in the wild. The International Union for the Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, estimates that fewer than 1,000 individuals remain in their natural habitat, a stark decline from the millions that once thrived in Lake Xochimilco. The primary threats to their survival are habitat loss, water pollution, and the introduction of invasive species. The once pristine waters of Xochimilco have been polluted by sewage, industrial runoff, and agricultural chemicals, degrading the water quality and making it increasingly inhospitable for axolotls. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this extraordinary creature from disappearing altogether. These efforts include habitat restoration projects, captive breeding programs, and public awareness campaigns aimed at educating people about the importance of axolotl conservation.